This is the ASE Certified Collision Repair Program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. The Collision Repair Program prepares you for immediate, high-paying jobs after high school. Earn up to $85,000 a year working in dealerships, garages, or manufacturing. Or start your own business and be your own boss. In collision repair, you'll gain hands-on skills in panel repairs, painting, welding, estimating, and more. Working on real vehicles for real customers in the Pioneer Collision Repair Center. Graduate with ASE Certified credentials and earn college credits through Columbus State or Stark State College. Get hands-on experience now and get the head start you need.
Have you guys ever watched any shows like Iron Resurrection, Rust Valley Restores, Gotham Garage, and really took an interest in what they're doing with their custom fabs and their custom builds, their restorations, all that kind of stuff? This is the program for you. My name's Skylar Rose. I'm the collision repair instructor here at Pioneer, and we do all types of different repairs. We do deer hits, collision repairs, restorations. We're working on a restoration right now. This is a 65 Rambler. It's just something fun to do. It's cool, it gets you guys interested. There's a big plethora of things that you can do with those. Everybody here has probably hit a deer before and seen what a deer can do to a vehicle, raccoons, anything like that. We fix those. We do all kinds of custom fab jobs, custom colors, custom mixes, custom paint jobs, all that type of stuff. If that interests you, this is the program for you.
Hi, my name is Gage Shoop. I am a senior in collision repair at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. I would like to go into the collision field, so I would be doing a lot of body work, some painting. Hopefully I can get lots of painting in because that's where the big money is to be made. Good painters can make up to over $100,000 a year. Your junior year, you will learn how to weld, obviously, by simple projects he has you do. You also learn to do a lot of dent repair with hammer and dolly and acetylene torch work, and you get into a little bit of painting. And then senior year, you do frame repair, like behind me, and glass removal and replacement, plastic repair, and a lot of more in-depth painting. Yeah, you definitely get to use a lot of industry tools because this lab equips you with literally everything that you would find in a shop. Everything from the frame machine to the paint booth to all the handheld tools, the hammer, the dolly, the paint guns, everything that you would get out in the workforce. If you're into cars at all or anything like that, definitely check it out because there's a lot of options you have after school. It is just really fun. I enjoy it a lot.
Take a tour of Pioneer anytime online or apply today at gotopioneer.com.